Cindy here, physical therapist with Adaptive Equipment Corner. We had a viewer contact us about having some trouble getting one of these lids off of these little fruit cups due to grip strength difficulties. So they asked if we could try to figure out something easier to be done with this. So we're going to take a look at this right now. So here's our suggestion. We've got a rubber pad here to try to keep this from moving very much. We've also got a marker, a big marker. What you need here is just something that's substantial, PVC pipe, something like that. And what we're going to suggest, or what we've tried, is to take a piece of tape and put it sticky side up, come to as far toward the end of this little tab here as you can without sticking it to the cup. Get your object here, like your marker, as close as you can and wrap this tape right around there and make it snug, okay? And then if you just kind of keep your fingers close to the tape and roll this back, it comes off really quite easily. So what I would suggest is as you're rolling, just kind of keep a hold of this, roll this back like that, and then when you come here you can just kind of turn this marker a little bit and bring that right off. Now, if there's still a difficulty of spilling the juice, what I would suggest is before you take this plastic lid off, just poke a hole in the back side of it and go ahead and drink the juice out of there and then take the top off to eat the fruit. So that's our tip for these little fruit cups. If anyone out there has an idea for us, please share it. We'd love to hear about it. That's it for today from Adaptive Equipment Corner. Have a great day, and don't forget, if you can't do it, adapt it.